torches in my soul. It's all dark and gray, but it's not too late, 'cause I know what I've been told. If I'm ready for this open door that shows me that you can feel one more day like this, and you can see me heal. We shattered the distance, collecting our sorrows, we drowned in the rain. Echoes from the dust, darkness in the light for us, and it never dies. Smoke and light and my soul. It's all dark and gray, but it's not too late. Our stories are told by the scars of our brothers. The beckoning light in the mirror explains our lives in the flame in one deafening sunrise. The silence it falls as we ask what remains, and it never dies. This hope that flies and perches in my soul. It's all dark and gray, but it's not too late, 'cause I know what I've been told. If I'm ready for this open door that shows me that you can feel one more day like this, and yeah, I can see you heal. And it never dies. It's hope that flies and perches in my soul. It's all dark and gray, but it's not too late, 'cause I know what I've been told.